How to make a living off of trading. First, you need to identify how much your monthly costs are and how much money you are able to invest in the moment. You make your trading account and with your electronic device, start your journey. Before we continue, remember to please like and subscribe for more content like this and for greater support. Continuing. After identifying your monthly costs and how much money you are able to invest, you create your investing strategy so as to reach your monthly goal and even surpass it to have more leisure income. Now, as for creating your investment strategy to make a living off of trading, is where I come in. How can you have a strategy that's safe enough so as to rely on it monthly, but also give you great gains so as to pay all your bills and have more and even much more subsequent? Well, if you make 100% of trading gains, this would mean doubling your money. Now, how to double your money for the month? Simple. Use a strategy proven to give you 100% and much more gains, but you will sell it just 100% for now as you gain more trust in it and see how easily you can pay your monthly bills and have much more money left for yourself. What is a reliable strategy? It's very famously known, but selectively used correctly. I have learned from trading millionaires all around the world for 4 years and got incredible results so as to be trustworthy enough to my colleagues and myself that this strategy is the safest, especially for beginners or non-beginners for that matter. The strategy is called moving averages. How does it work? Simple as all things should be. After learning it, you'll be able to make a trade in less time than you ever imagined, with a maximum of 1 minute to analyze per stock, as it is incredibly easy to see and identify. So again, how does it work? You wait for the moving average of 20 and 40 to cross in an hour time frame. By the way, we're using the app TC2000 for this example, and I left the link in the description below so you can check it out. But moving averages also work in Thinkorswim and TradingView, other graphical analysis apps. And after the moving average of 20 and 40 cross in an hour time frame, if the stock is above them, then you buy a call towards the next moving average, be that of 100 or 200. And if the stock is below them, below the moving averages 20 and 40, you buy a put or an options contract, betting that the stock will go downwards towards the next moving average, be that of 100 or 200. In full, the strategy usually makes 300 to 1,000%. As you can see, I made 2,000% in one day. But the goal here is just to make 100%. Well, why? 100% in trading options means a doubling of whatever you invested. So if you invested $500, that means $1,000 or $500 in profit. And if you do this weekly, you will gain $2,000 in profit. And from just $500 invested, and be able to pay whatever bills you have, and if cheap bills, then you have saved more. Now, if your expenses are more, but also your earnings, then you invest more and have $1,000 to be duplicated weekly so as to gain $4,000 a month just from trading. Best thing about the strategy is the time needed to use it. You only need an hour in the morning from 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. and an hour from 3 to 4 p.m. on weekdays, of course, which is when the stock market is open, to use it. And buy contracts to leave basically for the whole day, or if you buy them from 3 to 4 p.m., then leave the contracts to the next day. And as you grow your income and trust in the strategy, you can invest more and also leave your money longer than 100%. But the best recommendation is just to increase the money invested proportionally to whatever money is left over and keep selling at 100% until you become a pro and can see trades like this 2,000% in Netflix. Remember to please like and subscribe. If you stayed this long, like the video and learn something. Always becoming better each day, and love you all.